Hello again and welcome back to this latest episode of I Wish. It's a series where I order products from wish.com, whether they be gaming related or some form of tech related item. I get them in, I test them to see how they work. The regularity of these episodes might be a bit sporadic because Wish's delivery times are long and I can't always afford to get stuff in, but when I can, I'm going to try and get these items in and see how they go. Hi cats. So, I am going to show you today's item, which is a one-piece, perfect for listening to music at work, mini invisible, ultra small Bluetooth 5 stereo earbud in-ear headsets with microphone support, hands-free for smartphones. Yes, that is the entire title of the listing. I kid you not. And let's see how it is. You have an option to select different colors on this one. You can get it in gold, black, pink, blue and white, and it costs the amazing price of £1.84 at the moment plus delivery. So let's pop it open and have a look. This is literally all the packaging it came in. It's full disclosure, I have charged it already. I haven't tested it, but I have charged it. It comes with this little needle point charging USB cable, which fits into that hole just there, I believe it was. Oh no, sorry, don't want you poking your microphone. Plugs in just there, like so. Just like that. And a little light will come on when it's charging. Okay, so let's see if I can sync this to my phone and give it a test. Okay, because I need my phone for this test, it's also what I use for the recording the desktop unpackaging. I will now see if I can get them to sync. Now, it does come with the tiniest instruction booklet that, gosh, that is really tiny. Okay, to get this into pairing mode, you have to hold down the call button, which is just there for 3 seconds. Let's just do that now. This puts it into pairing mode. Apparently there's a blinking light. Oh, yep. Tiny little blinking light there. And let's see if I can get that paired to my phone. Bluetooth. Right. Available devices. Bluetooth music. Let's try that. Okay, to pair with Bluetooth music. Yep, okay, that is paired. Now I'm going to pop it into probably my right ear. I think it's designed for the right ear anyway. So it's designed so that it is not a comfortable fit. I mean, it could just be the size of my ears, but that's it in there. I can't really see how it looks myself because I've probably been better trying it in that ear, but I think it is only designed for the right ear. Yeah, it becomes backwards, so I try and switch it to the other side, so it needs to go in this one. Okay, so that's in like that. Now let's test out the audio output settings. I like to listen to audiobooks, so I'm going to see how that sounds when I do that now. The audio quality is not bad for an audiobook. Yes, cat, indeed. I mean, it's not loud, but it's definitely audible. I mean, it says it's perfect for listening to music, so let's test it with something a little bit more intense then. So I'm going to test it using Spotify, hashtag not sponsored. There is no bass there whatsoever. I don't know what the audio bleed's like on this. I'll be able to tell once I've got the video in editing. But this is a song called Heroes in Time by Metalite. I mean, I wouldn't use this as a device to listen to music on. It's not good. You can hear it, but it's very tinny. It's like if you've got nothing else to use and you want something that's relatively low profile in your ear, sure, but I think it's probably more designed, like, I probably listened to the audiobook on it because the voices coming from that were fine. I wouldn't use it for listening to music. Let's try giving somebody a call and see how that works. Okay, I can hear it ringing now. Really low. Hello! Wow, that's really quiet. Oh my goodness. I am currently testing and recording for this device. You can probably see in my ear. You can't hear a word I'm saying. Okay, so the mic quality on it is abysmal then. Really quiet. Yeah, you sound really quiet to me, which is weird because when listening on an audiobook, it was way louder. But when talking to you through a call, the call volume is way lower. And I don't understand why that is. So I would say that this item is a piece of crap. Thank you very much for the test. Yeah, it's not good. But thank you very much for your participation there. Okay, so yeah, I could barely hear my friend when I gave him a call there. It was very, very quiet. And I imagine if I was out in a loud area, that it would be barely audible. Like, I'm in a quiet room and I could barely hear him, and he could not hear me at all. It looks to be that it might have two mics on it, but he can hear me. Like, I had to wave to him to indicate I was leaving, and he just couldn't hear me. So it baffles me that I couldn't hear him very well. Like, the music, I could hear the voice in the music better than I could hear his voice. I could hear the audiobook clearer than I could hear his voice. But on a phone call, absolutely useless. And being as that is the only purpose I could see for using this device, I can't recommend it. It's for the £2 plus delivery. It's a piece of junk. This is probably going to go into a bin. It's absolutely useless to me. It's a waste of money. So unfortunately this time round, wish not fulfilled. It's absolute disappointment. But that's why I'm doing these videos, so that I can test them so you don't have to waste your money on them. I mean, this is an item that has 3.5 stars over 57 reviews. I wouldn't give it 1 star. I can't even say it's worth the money for £2. It's just not. So there we have it. Thank you very much for joining me for this review, and I will see you next time for the next item that comes through. Thank you very much.